Alright, here we go. So, sorry if the heater's going. But anyways, pick up the gloves here. This is what we got going on. The inner wheel well has one coat. And all the inside you can see has been painted. That Course 15. That stuff is incredible. It is incredible. Look at that frame. I mean, and it's single coat. We got to get up in here a little bit more. And on these, whoop, and these brackets and stuff. And we're gonna put another good coat on it. Let it start doing this drying, and then we're gonna go with putting the repair panel on. Anyways, we got some work to do down here. We didn't really get this as clean as we should have before we started painting. But it's gonna look great. Course 1500, or not 1500, 15.